Real quick video that will help you on how to use content on Facebook. I was in a Facebook group today for realtors and I saw this post right here. Sold. Look, beautiful graphic. Look, beautiful home. Great job, Ryan Lockett, on the closing, right? The problem here is, what is she doing with this information, this content? Posting it in a Facebook group for realtors is not the place to do it. It's going to do nothing for the agent. We can go over to our Facebook business page and sure, post it there. But again, on the business page where, not too many people are following, nobody is going to see this in their news feed when they're scrolling down. No one's visiting the realtor's page. What you want is things when people go to Facebook and they scroll down to look at, their cousin's pictures or whatever, they're scrolling down. You want in the news feed for this information to pop up, right? Well, it's not really going to here. So you're not going to see much. 2 shares, 3 likes on this beautiful closing right here. But there's so much more you could do with this type of content, because what you really want to do is have an audience of, how about 10,000 local homeowners or more? And you show them, hey, I just sold this house. It sold for this price. I sold it in 1 day, over asking, and this is what I think of the market right now. So if you're thinking of moving up and you have some equity in your home, let me show you what we could do. You approach it that way, you're going to see 1,000x better return from creating this content and leveraging this closing here into more business. And it's easy to do. Here's another example on the Facebook business page where you're posting this content, which is, hey, great content, right? 12 fix-ups that save you money. A lot of people might be interested in that, right? But if you just post this on your Facebook page, nobody's going to see it. Nobody. I mean, a few people here and there, but as you can see, look, it was over a year ago, and no shares, no likes, no comments. But if this was used as part of a follow-up ad called retargeting, where if you had that audience of 10, 15,000 local homeowners, you could easily set up a Facebook ad and show it just to those people for very little money. So when they're scrolling down their news feed and looking at their family photos and what's, the dinners that their friends went to the other day, this stuff is going to pop up. And it's going to build the brand of the agent, generate leads, and keep you front and center of locals in your area. This is the type of marketing that we do every single day at Post-A-Prop. We run hundreds of ads, and we start by using video ads to create that audience. Of course, you're going to get lead generation, brand building from people seeing your initial ad, but we want to build that audience. And then the follow-up ads right here, the retargeting. What happens here is you can set up an ad that just sold property or 12 ways to improve your home value, things like that. And show that to your audience here, and you can do it for very little money, $1, $2, $3 a day. You spend $20, and you're showing what you're doing in your business to local homeowners. And that's exactly what you want to do when you sell a home or you have some new content that you want to get out there. You don't want to just post it to your Facebook business page where nobody will see it. That's what we do at Post-A-Prop. Visit our site. This is what you want to do. You want to get the Pro Plan from Post-A-Prop right there. Click this if you're on our Pro Plan page. And what you want to do is have us create a video ad to do what I just explained to you, where we create that audience that you could tap into over and over again and show them what you're doing in the local area. Show them how you could help them. Show them the value you bring. That's how you build a strong real estate business, through Facebook. You want to use this type of marketing plan, where here is where you drop in that content, just sold properties, have a new listing, that type of stuff that'll be seen by a local audience in their news feed, not on your Facebook business page where nobody will see it. If you have any questions on how we could help you, we have a live chat right here, real people right there. Click that, ask some questions. We can help you out. Postaprop.com. Hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.